Hi, I'm Lori with Team Gabriel Coldwell Banker, and we're standing at 11 Cottage Street in Windsor, Connecticut. This is a beautiful raised ranch and it's just like new. Are you a Swiftie fan? Do you look pretty in pink? Well, then you're gonna love this house. It has beautiful pink carpeting throughout the living room, dining room, and all the way down the hall. So I think with a few cosmetics, you really would like this one. So maybe you're a Keith Urban fan and blue ain't your color. But check out this bedroom. It has his and her closets and it leads right to a bathroom. So it's nice and convenient with tiled flooring, double sinks, and a full tub shower. Maybe you're a Ray Charles fan. Did you know him and Harrison Ford love doing woodworking on the side? Well, this home has beautiful woodwork throughout the entire home. Here are some special features. They've put in new windows, a new architectural 30-year roof. The deck is new with new stairing as well. They have new doors, new garage doors and garage door openers. And you're looking at approximately 1,900 square feet and a very quiet, nice neighborhood. You're close to the highways, close to schools, close to the park. This home also has central air, propane heat. Kitchen also includes raised panel, oak cabinets, nice bright countertops, and newer tile floor. The lower level also has a half bathroom, a laundry room, huge closet space, and it has a big family room. So it's a big family room with sliders that go out to the backyard, and there's parquet wood flooring that leads to the laundry room. There's plentiful closet space. It leads to your mechanical room and your huge two-car garage. A fenced-in yard. It's nice and level. So if you'd like more information, then give us a call at 860-926-5101 or check us out on our website at teamgabriel.net. We look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.